Instagram will not be promoting reels that have the TikTok watermark. What you want to do is ensure that those watermarks are removed. I'm gonna show you how to quickly remove this watermark and save the sound and video from TikTok. Let's go. I use a website called SnapTik. It's snaptik.app. I'll include the link below for you. It's super easy. It has some ads on here and it can be a little cumbersome, but it gets the job done and it's quick and it downloads your videos in HD with the audio. So first you're gonna go to your TikTok video that you want to download without the watermark and press that copy link button. I've already done that here. All you're gonna do, paste this TikTok link right here and press download. It's gonna take a minute, an ad might pop up, then it's gonna give you a couple options. I like download server 2, full HD. It's got the word HD for high definition. That's what we want. Click that. Again, this is an ad. Don't panic. Close that out after a couple minutes, and it's going to download this. Boom, there it is. Here it is with the audio, without the bouncing TikTok watermark. I can then put that on YouTube Shorts. I can put this into Instagram. What I would recommend is once you import it, add some extra text, add a different sound so it seems like it's native to where you're posting it. Don't just upload this and call it a day, just to be safe. Add some different layers that you're adding in that platform of choice. But now this is a quick way for you to recycle that content that does really well on TikTok. You can bring it over to Instagram and vice versa. So if you like this video, make sure you stick around, hit that subscribe button. We have weekly videos dropping to help you build a profitable music business. Again, my name's AC Evan. See y'all soon.